In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your ChatGPT conversations using an extension from the Chrome Web Store. If you find yourself with a growing number of chat threads and need a way to keep them neatly categorized and accessible, then this guide is for you. We'll break it down into a few simple steps that will help streamline your experience and set you up for success. First, we need to get the extension installed. Open up your favorite browser, head over to the Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar at the top, type in ChatGPT folders. Doing this will bring up a selection of extensions, but we're specifically interested in the one named exactly like your search. Scan through the results until you find it, and once you do, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up might appear just asking for confirmation, and when it does, click Add Extension. This quick step allows the tool to get integrated with your browser, preparing it for the organizational magic we're about to unfold. Now that the extension is part of your browser, let's move on to creating folders. What this extension does is it enhances the user interface with additional options for managing your conversations. You'll notice that it adds a button labeled Create Folder, which may appear in the sidebar or near the top of your ChatGPT interface. Locate this button and give it a click. It's as simple as that. You'll then be prompted to name your new folder. This is the fun part because you get to decide how you want to categorize your chats. Maybe you need a folder called Work for all those professional exchanges, or perhaps an Ideas folder for brainstorming sessions. Of course, a personal folder can hold those casual, everyday interactions. But wait, there's more. Many of these extensions provide even more ways to customize your organization system. They often include features that allow you to assign different colors or icons to your folders. This visual customization isn't just for aesthetics. It's about making navigation intuitive. For example, you could give your Work folder a commanding color like blue or choose an icon that relates to productivity. This color coding can make finding the right folder quick and easy, especially if you're a visual thinker or simply like to work efficiently. And there you have it. You've set up a personalized organization system in ChatGPT. With just these steps, you've turned a cluttered chat list into a beautifully structured and easily navigable space. Remember, the goal is to enhance your productivity and keep those ideas flowing freely. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.